Are you ready to inject some fun and humor into your content? Well, have you ever thought about using Donald Trump's voice to make some killer text-to-speech clips? Let me tell you, it's hilarious and definitely worth a shot. To make this happen, you'll need to use a voice cloning software like Overdub, Replica Studios, or Responsibly. These tools analyze Trump's voice and generate new speech from the text you input. Just upload a few voice samples of Trump speaking, tweak some settings to match his tone and accent, and the software will do the rest. In no time, you'll have a high-quality audio clip that sounds like the man himself. Now, what can you do with this awesome clip? The sky's the limit. You can create a viral meme, record a funny voicemail message, or make a parody video. The possibilities are endless, and the sound of Trump's voice will surely grab your audience's attention. While this technology has important applications in speech synthesis and accessibility, it's also perfect for injecting some laughs into your content. So, why not give it a try? With a little bit of experimentation and some creative thinking, you can make some epic text-to-speech with Donald Trump's voice that's sure to make a lasting impression on your audience. Don't be afraid to get creative and add some humor to your content. Using Trump's voice to make text-to-speech clips is a fun and entertaining way to explore the capabilities of voice cloning technology. So, grab your software, upload your voice samples, and get started on your next hilarious project.